Turkish Martha skirt. Keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert. Garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk. Con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk. At dark she come a lurk. Like beer. Icky ooch dirt. The beard. Icky ooch dirt.
Running with scissors! Oh shit. Okay. Woo! Okay, I am about to do henna for the first time. So, I've had my own henna done many times by my favorite henna artist, Naty by Nature, N-A-T-Y, B-Y-N-A-T-U-R-E. Actually, I found her after I went to an Indian friend's wedding and we all got henna, and I realized how much I miss doing that like I used to do in the Middle East. Normally Naty comes here or I go to her house, but because of the pandemic, that's not happening. But she made these cones, and so technically this isn't henna, it's JAGUA or JAGUA, as it's pronounced, because I think it's from like South America. But okay, so this is new for me, but I do a lot with paint like this. So let's see. How am I doing? Okay. I think we're gonna be okay. So I was looking at my own bedouin jewelry. Thinking like maybe like a little diamond with a circle. Wow. I'm gonna turn that off. Anywho, let's see. I'm just gonna freestyle, I think.
Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart.
Smells so good though. That's the thing about hers. Everything's natural. It's like a berry or a nut or something. But it's like brown black now, but it's actually gonna come out like blue black. And as it fades, it'll be blue. It's so interesting how it transforms. Okay, I'm definitely not as good as Naty, aka Natalia.
Turkish Martha Stewart. Beericky huge dirt. Synergizing bad bitch. Dance like she got a twitch that ain't the Harlem Shake. Shimmy, shimmy, earthquake. Real bitch, nothing fake. Just
okay, I wonder if that'll actually leave a gap like I want it to, but it's looking cool. I don't regret it.
Home alone kinda date. Turkish Martha Stewart. Keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapped.
Okay, that's kind of cool. What else? That was just a random idea I had. I'd like to do it like here, but I do worry I'll screw it up. I'll try not to. I always like when she does the dots. And those are easy for me. I don't think I'm anywhere near being able to do like a crocodile like she does for me. But for now, what do you think? Okay.
With dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk. At dark she come a
Oh, this is kind of cool, right? Spooky. Kind of tribal looking. Thinking I'm inspired by these like Tuareg symbols. Maybe I could do, I don't know. Looking at this little thing. Maybe we'll, oh, I know what we'll do.
like beer, icky ooch, dirt, beer, icky ooch.
Yeah. Okay. What do we think? So this needs to dry for like 8 hours. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm kind of proud. I think it's pretty good for my first time. I'll show you how it looks later when it starts to turn. Should I do anything else? What about, okay. So, oh, my skin's kind of dry right now, but I have these like big fat bruises from when the like shopping cart thing bashed me. It hurt like so much, but I'm thinking we can do something with them. They're like a rainbow. Oh my god. Or maybe we,
Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Beer Ricky huge dirt. Smokes hashish with Snoop. Mix the best.
I have no idea how this is gonna go. Let's see. Oh, maybe I could do like a palm tree going up. I don't know. Sure. All the way up. Not my best idea. It's definitely not minimal. Okay.
Lentil soup, whipping up tabbouleh like hella majnouni. Everyone wants a taste. Got too close, broke his face. She'll tell ya crocodile and send you straight to hell. Village bitch, not snobby. Shamin, so fobby. Allergic, not snotty. Got that Middle Eastern body. Turkish Martha Stewart. Keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert. Garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk. Con basics with the.
I have no idea how this is gonna go.
Showing off her inverse twerk. At dark she come a lurk. Like beer, icky ooch dirt. Beer, icky ooch dirt. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turk Stewart. Turkish Martha Stewart. Beer, icky ooch dirt. Jaywalking biatch. Disappear. Bon voyage. Pirate. Camouflage. Got a fur collage.
This is weird. It's not maybe the nicest, but let's see. Okay, this is nicer, for sure. I think we should be done right now, although maybe this is weird, but I want.
Mix the best lentil soup, whipping up tabbouleh like hella majnouni.
Okay, we're done. One thing I don't know is how she stores it. I think. Like, I'm not really sure, to be honest. Maybe if I tape it, it'll be okay. Hopefully. Okay, that's it for now.
Wants a taste. Got too close, broke his face. She'll tell ya crocodile and send you straight to hell. Village bitch, not snobby. Shimmy.